Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make croissant glaze. This easy method will transform your homemade or store-bought croissants into a bakery-quality treat. You'll be surprised how quickly you can whip up this sweet, shiny topping with just a few basic ingredients. Get ready to elevate your breakfast or brunch with a perfectly glazed pastry that looks as good as it tastes. It's a simple step that adds so much to your baking experience. For this incredibly easy glaze, you'll only need 3 main ingredients. First, grab 1 cup of powdered sugar, also known as confectioner's sugar, which forms the smooth base. Next, you'll need 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk or water. Milk provides a creamier texture, while water keeps it lighter. Finally, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract adds a lovely aromatic touch, making your glaze even more delicious. Making the glaze is super straightforward. In a small bowl, simply combine your 1 cup of powdered sugar with 2 tablespoons of milk or water. Whisk these ingredients together until you achieve a smooth, pourable consistency. If it's too thick, add a tiny bit more liquid, a 1/4 teaspoon at a time. Once mixed, gently drizzle or brush the glaze over your freshly baked, slightly warm croissants for the best absorption and shine. For the best results, make sure your croissants are warm, but not piping hot, when you apply the glaze. This allows the glaze to set beautifully without melting completely. You can easily adjust the thickness by adding more powdered sugar for a thicker glaze or a few drops more liquid for a thinner one. Allow the glazed croissants to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes so the glaze can firm up, giving you that perfect, slightly crisp finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.